Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the entire process of creating a Binance account, making a deposit, and starting futures trading using your mobile device. This tutorial has been structured in a simple and beginner-friendly way so that anyone can follow it without difficulty. First, let's start by creating your Binance sign-up. Before we start, please install the Binance app on your smartphone. Once the installation is finished, open the Binance app. On the main screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin registering your account. You can choose to sign up using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Make sure to agree to the terms of service by checking the appropriate box. Then tap Continue to move on to the next step. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Type in the verification code you received. Next, set up a secure password for your account. Your password should include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and be at least 8 characters long. After completing this step, you will be directed to the referral confirmation page. At this step, be sure to select Yes. An input field will appear where you can enter a referral code. Type in the referral code SKY333. By using this code, you will receive a 20% discount on trading fees along with additional benefits. Be sure to enter the code before finishing the registration process. Now, let's proceed to the KYC verification process. Verification is necessary in order to make deposits, trade, and withdraw funds on Binance. First, select your nationality. Then choose the type of identification document you want to submit. You will see multiple document options available on the screen. For most users, using a passport is the most convenient option. When you're ready, tap Take Pictures. Position your passport correctly and capture a clear image. Next, proceed with the facial recognition step. Carefully follow the instructions displayed on the screen. Once all steps are completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review process typically takes around 1 hour. After approval, your account status will change to verified. Next, we will enhance account security by setting up Google Authenticator. Go back to the main screen. Tap the Binance logo located in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. Enter the security section. Choose Authenticator app from the list of options. Tap Enable to start the setup process. Enter the verification code that was sent to you. You will now see the setup screen for the authenticator. Copy the 16-digit setup key shown on the screen. Download and open the Google Authenticator app. In the app, tap the plus icon. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. Paste the 16-digit key into the key field. Tap Add to finish adding the account. A 6-digit verification code will now appear in the app. Copy this 6-digit code. Tap Next to continue. Enter the code correctly in the required field. Once verified, the setup will be successfully completed. Now, enable Pro Mode to access futures trading features. Go back to the main screen again. Tap the Binance logo again. If you see the Binance Pro option, tap it to switch to Pro Mode. Second, we will now take a closer look at how to deposit funds using the peer-to-peer trading method. Tap the Assets icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. The Spot wallet is mainly used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading activities. In contrast, the Futures wallet is specifically designed for futures trading only. From the list of options, select the Spot wallet. Next, tap the Add Funds button. On the next screen, you will see several deposit methods available. In this tutorial, we will use the peer-to-peer deposit method. Tap the icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Select the local currency you intend to use for the transaction. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. In most cases, USDT is the most widely used option. Tap the relevant button to proceed. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Tap the Next button. You will then be redirected to a page where you can choose your payment method. A list of sellers will be displayed on the screen. For safety, it is recommended to select sellers with high ratings and many completed orders. Choose a seller from the list, and tap the Buy button. Keep in mind that some sellers may request additional verification steps. Enter the exact amount you intend to purchase for this transaction. Before continuing, carefully review all the details provided by the seller. If everything looks correct, tap Place Order. Once the order is placed, the seller's bank account details will be shown. Before making the transfer, open the chat window and carefully read the seller's instructions. When making the payment, double-check the account name and bank details. Proceed with the payment using your selected method. After completing the transfer, tap Upload Payment Proof. Upload a clear image or screenshot as proof of payment. Once uploaded, check the confirmation box at the bottom of the screen. Then press the Transferred Notify Seller button at the bottom. After a short while, the USDT will be released and automatically transferred to your spot wallet. Finally, I will guide you through the complete step-by-step process of trading on Binance Futures. Before placing any futures trades, you must first move your funds from the spot wallet to the futures wallet. Begin by opening your spot wallet. Within the spot wallet, tap the Transfer button to start transferring funds. Set the transfer direction from spot wallet to USDM Futures. Next, choose the asset you wish to transfer. Then, input the amount you want to transfer. After a brief moment, the transferred funds will be reflected in your futures wallet. To access the futures trading interface, tap the Futures tab located at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will now see the Binance Futures trading interface. At the top left corner, tap the Trading Pair section to select the asset you want to trade. For this demonstration, we will use the BTC USDT trading pair. Next, review and choose the margin mode that suits your strategy. In cross-margin mode, your total balance is shared across all open positions. In isolated margin mode, only the margin allocated to each position is used. For beginners, isolated mode is typically recommended because it helps limit risk. Now, adjust your desired leverage level. Binance supports leverage of up to 150x. While higher leverage can increase potential profits, it also significantly raises the level of risk. If you are a beginner, starting with lower leverage is a safer approach. Next, determine your trading direction based on your market outlook. If you anticipate that the price will increase, tap Buy to open a long position. If you expect the price to decrease, tap Sell to open a short position. You can check your available margin for the trade in this section. Below, select the order type that matches your trading strategy. You may choose between a limit order and a market order. Enter the price and quantity for your order. If you believe the price will rise, tap Buy Long to place your order. If you believe the price will fall, tap Sell Short to place your order. By tapping the Positions tab at the bottom, you can track your open positions in real time. ROI displays your current profit or loss as a percentage. Entry price represents the average entry price of your position. Mark price shows the current reference market price. Liquidation price indicates the price at which your position will be liquidated. To better manage risk, tap TPSL to set your take profit and stop loss levels. When you are ready to close your position, tap the Close button. Choose whether to close at the current market price, or place a limit order at a specific price. Enter the closing price and the amount you want to close. Then tap Confirm. Once confirmed, your position will be fully closed. In today's guide, we learned the whole process of creating a Binance account and starting futures trading. Each step was presented in a clear and detailed way so that anyone can easily understand and follow along. If you encountered any difficulties or still have questions while following this guide, please feel free to leave a comment at any time. Thank you sincerely for watching this video all the way to the end.